Traveling with your dog. Essential tips for a stress-free journey. Hey there, fellow wanderlust-filled humans. Leo, the adventure-loving dalmatian reporting for duty. Today, I'm here to spill the kibble on how to travel with your furry sidekick without losing your sanity. Buckle up, because we are about to embark on a tail-wagging journey filled with essential tips for a stress-free adventure. Preparing for the trip. Pause up, folks. Before you hit the road or take the skies, let's talk about the nitty-gritty details. Check those travel requirements and regulations for us canines. Trust me, you don't want to be caught with your tail between your legs at the airport. And don't forget to consult the wise wizards of veterinary medicine to ensure we are up to date on vaccination and in tip-top shape. Choosing the right travel method. It's time to decide how we will traverse this vast world together. Will it be a road trip in a trusty family wagon, a plane ride with our ears flapping in the breeze, or a train adventure like something out of a canine movie? Consider what suits our needs and preferences best. I, for one, would love a private jet with a personal chef serving doggy treats, but hey, we can dream, right? Crate training and car safety. The crate, the cozy den of tranquility. Get us acquainted with our travel crate well in advance. It's like our own little doggy spaceship, complete with all comforts of home. And let's not forget about safety, folks. Secure that carrot in the car or strap us in a fancy dog seat belt. We must protect those precious spots and avoid any unwanted flying canines during sudden stops. Packing essentials for your dog. Don't forget our essentials, humans. Pack enough food to satisfy our ravenous appetites, treats to keep us smiling, and plenty of water to keep us hydrated on our epic journey. Oh, and bring those necessary medications, veterinary records, and identification tags. Because who knows when we will need to prove our royal lineage or get an emergency belly rub. Ensuring comfort and hygiene. A dog needs his throne even on the go. Provide us a comfy travel bed or blanket fit for a canine king or queen. After all, we must catch our beauty sleep in style. And please, humans, remember the waste bag and cleaning supplies. No one wants a stinky situation on their hands, literally. Planning for breaks and exercise. Time for a pit stop, folks. Plan regular breaks for bathroom breaks and stretching those furry legs. Let us explore dog-friendly rest areas or parks where we can sniff the grass, chase squirrels in our dreams, and unleash our inner Olympic athletes. It's all about balance, you know. Tire us out so we can snooze peacefully during the next leg of the adventure. Keep your dog calm and relaxed. Deep breaths, my fellow travelers. We must remain calm and relaxed amidst the chaos of the journey. Surround us with familiar scents and toys from home so we feel like we are in our comfort zone. And hey, if we need a little extra zen, there are calming aids and techniques out there. Just remember there's no shame in seeking a little doggy tranquility. Managing motion sickness. Motion sickness, a canine conundrum. Some of us are more sensitive than others, but fear not. We can overcome this hurdle. Take us on gradual car rides to acclimate us to the moving world. And if all else fails, consult the wise veterinarians for remedies. A stress-free journey awaits, my friends. Safety and etiquette in public places. Listen up, human. Leash laws are not a suggestion. They are real deal. Keep us under control and follow the rule when we are out and about. Let's show the world that well-behaved dogs like us know how to travel in style. And please, respect the establishments that welcome us with open paws. We don't want to leave a trail of furry chaos in our wake. Accommodations and pet-friendly options. Here Hear ye. When it comes to accommodations, do your homework, humans. Seek out those pet-friendly heavens that welcome us with open arms. A cozy room with a soft bed and maybe a special doggy menu? Sign me up. And let's explore activities and attractions that cater to our fabulous four-leggedness. We deserve a little VIP treatment, don't you think? Emergency preparedness. It's time to unleash our inner superheroes, humans. Prepare for the unexpected with a pet first aid kit and knowledge of basic emergency procedures. Know where the nearest veterinary clinics or hospitals are at our destination. After all, we can't rely on our superpowers alone when it comes to unforeseen circumstances. Safety first, always. Gradual introduction and adaptation. Life is full of surprises, and traveling is no exception. Give us time to adjust to new environments and routines. Let us sniff and explore, gradually introducing us to the wonders of world. Rome wasn't built in a day, and our travel expertise won't be either. Together we will conquer new horizons, one wagging tail at a time. Conclusion. Congratulations, adventurous souls. You have unlocked the secrets to stress-free travel with your four-legged companions. Remember these tips, pack your sense of humor, and get ready to unforgettable adventures by our side. Whether we are chasing squirrels or basking in the sun, the journey will be filled with love, laughter, and memories that will last a lifetime. Bon voyage, fellow travel enthusiasts! Well, what was your favorite take from this video? What other topics would you like me to cover? Do let me know in the comments, and don't forget to show your love by liking and subscribing. Here's the link to my another video filled with doggle wisdom. See ya!